This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel scheduled reels on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram now lets users schedule posts up to 75 days in advance. Once a user schedules a post, they have the option to delete the scheduled post before it is shared if they no longer want to share it. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. On my previous video, I've shown you how to schedule posts reels on Instagram, and now what if you want to cancel it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Instagram. After that, you can go to your profile, tap on the up right corner on the three lines over here. You can just scroll down until you find there is a option. This for professional, there is an option scheduled content. I have one scheduled content. You can select on that. So here's the scheduled post, and I want to cancel it. How to do it? So you can just tap on the three dots over here. If you want to reschedule, you can select on reschedule, but if you want to cancel the schedule, you want to delete it, you can just select on delete. After that, you can just select on delete. So now you have canceled this scheduled post. It's very simple, right? So now you don't have any scheduled content or reels on your Instagram anymore. It's very simple, right? So that is how to cancel scheduled reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.